The new variant of the virus. It's highly transmissible and children seem as susceptible as adults.
We had lockdown which reduced adult contacts, but schools were still open. But what we see over the course of a kind of 5-6 week period is that consistently the proportion of, which is a statistic we've looked at, the proportion of pillar 2 cases for the variant in under 15s was slightly higher, but statistically significantly higher than the non-variant virus.
This doesn't mean children will become more ill with the virus, but they could pass it on. Genetic analysis of swabs shows the new variant in all parts of the UK. But why is it so transmissible? Changes have been found in the spike protein, the key the virus uses to unlock the doorway to our body's cells. One mutation which has been identified alters the receptor binding domain in the spike, increasing the ability of the virus to interact with our cells. And in another mutation, a small part of the spike is removed, potentially making it easier for the virus to evade our natural immune response. It's thought this new strain will overtake previous versions.
This is the worst news that we've had so far, and we really need to tighten down the hatches in order to stop the spread of this strain, whilst we can get as many people vaccinated as possible.
There's no evidence yet the new variant causes more severe symptoms, and scientists think the vaccines will still work. But a clear steer from the government's advisers, tougher restrictions are coming.
I think it is likely that this will grow in numbers of the variant across the country, and I think it's likely, therefore, that measures need to be increased in some places in due course, not reduced. So I think it is a case that this will spread more.
Ramped up restrictions and difficult decisions about deferring school reopenings. This new variant likely bringing a sombre start to the new year. Laura Bundock, Sky News.
Well, let's look at the latest COVID figures.